Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and color compare the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case in Clementine. In my past videos, I used to compare the Apple silicone case to the things that I find in my house and compare or match the same color. Since it's fall and I love nature, instead of comparing it to the things that I find in my house, I am going to compare the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case in Clementine to the colorful changing leaves in the woods. Just giving you guys a heads up that I filmed this video a month ago and hiked in 2 different trails in 2 different times. I'm actually not convinced that this case is a fall color because it looks kinda summery color because it's orange, but we will see on the videos and you judge if it's a fall color or a summer color. Without further ado, here is the unboxing and color comparison of the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max silicone case in Clementine. It's too bright. There you go, that's the color right there in real life. We will see it in the woods. Come on! So we are starting to hike now. Pretty. I see another orange color right here. Looks kinda darker, but they're close. I hope it's not blurry. I'm really enjoying this. They're close. Is that a mushroom?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I smell mushroom. I really feel like this is a summer color. I don't know if I should return it or not. Not? Is it a fall color? Yeah, it's not really that fall yet. There's an orange thing right there if you guys see it. This is darker than that one, that color right there. That one is kind of light orange and this one is dark. So I guess I agree that this is a fall color. Sometimes it's kind of red when it's in the dark, but if it's in the light, it's like orange. I see orange! Oh, that looks like yellow. From afar, it's kind of orange. But we'll keep going. Cool. So we are finally fall and we finally can find the right leaf for this iPhone case from Apple. We're in the woods and we're gonna go find the right leaf that fits with this color. Is it the same color?
No.
Shoot, scratched. Oh no, it's not. Ay, ay, ay. This is the color of the phone case. So it goes well with the fall colors right here in the background. Love. So we just found some mushrooms in here. It's too bright. This is matte, that's why. See the tunnel. There's another colorful stuff in here. This is brown and it looks the same. This one looks the same. It's kind of an ombre leaf right there. There's yellow and then orange. The lower part of the leaf, same color as this iPhone case. Since Clementine is a fruit name, I wanted to add this comparison between the real Clementine fruit to our Apple silicone case in Clementine. The Clementine fruit has a deep orange color with a smooth, glossy appearance, while our Apple silicone case in Clementine is almost deep orange, emphasized because it is matte. So over the past month that I have been using this case, it has been protecting my phone from scratch. Also, I am kind of worried about the bottom part of the case because it doesn't have a cover right there. As I always say on each of my videos, that this is really important, especially when you drop it and this is really open. So I don't know how I feel about this, but overall on each side of these ones, this is really helpful for scratches and drops. So just make sure, I guess, not to drop it from right here. Also, it is easy to take it off and on your iPhone. Easy that, and putting it on. Easy also, you can just slide it. You can't really see the camera on the sides because this case is protruding. So that means even if the camera lens is sticking out, the edge of the case is thicker than the lens. So as you can see, you can't really see the camera because the case is thicker. So if you lay it flat, then you are fine. I'm gonna show you guys around the case how it looks like. One round. That's the bottom, the sides, like that, the top, and the other sides. The buttons is really soft and easy access of this turn volume off and on. And also on the front, the case is thicker than the screen, so you don't actually see the screen because the case is sticking out. I love this case. I've enjoyed this color for the fall and might still be using it in the winter. So it has been fun hiking and color comparing this case to the leaves, colorful changing leaves in the woods. I'm hoping that this video will help you guys determine what kind of shade this case is, just in case you guys have interest in buying this case. Last color comparison of the leaves and this one kind of matches together. So I'm really happy that I found the leaf that matches this Clementine apple silicone case. I really enjoyed making the video while I'm hiking. So now you know, guys, that I love hiking so much, sharing to you my daily or my weekend activities. Now you know a little bit about me. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!